In this guide, you'll learn how to activate digital membership on Costco. Let's get started. First, download the official Costco wholesale app from the App Store or Google Play Store if you haven't already. Open the app and sign in with your Costco online account. If you don't have an online account yet, tap register and create one using your active Costco membership number along with the personal information associated with your membership. Once you are signed in, go to the account or card section and tap digital membership card. If it's your first time using the feature, follow the on-screen instructions to verify your identity and link your membership to your online account. After the verification is complete, your digital membership card will appear in the app and will be ready to use for warehouse, checkout, and other eligible Costco services. If you can't activate your digital membership card, double-check that your membership is active, you are signed in with the correct account, and your app is updated to the latest version. And that's all there is to activating your Costco digital membership card. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.